Hey guys, today we're talking about chakras. Right now I am setting up the little chakras on a canvas board and I will run through the basics of chakras. We are going to start off with the root chakra. Now, the root chakra is associated with the color red. It also resides at the tailbone of our spines and is associated with our bare bones survival basics. Here is the sacral chakra. The sacral chakra resides between the belly button and tailbone of our spines. This is associated with creativity. Up next, we have the solar plexus chakra. This chakra resides in our belly button. It gets its names from Westerners liking the symbol of this chakra to a sun. This one is associated with your confidence. Up next is the heart chakra. This chakra resides in the chest cavity. It is associated with how you relate to others. It is also the color green. Up next is the throat chakra. The throat chakra resides in the neck, specifically the throat, which is where it got its name. It is associated with how you talk and communicate with others. This chakra is usually colored a bright blue. Next, we have the third eye chakra. Now, the third eye chakra is nestled between our eyebrows. It is associated with intuition, and the color for this is a darker blue than the throat chakra. And lastly, we have the crown chakra. Now, the crown chakra resides in the crown section of your skull, just above your skull. This is associated with higher knowledge and spiritual connection. The color for this is violet. And there you have it. These are the 7 main chakras of our human body. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for stopping by.